Hello everyone. Words like 가다 or 먹다 in the dictionary are not full sentences yet. They are just the names of the actions. To use them in real conversation, we need to change them slightly. The moment you add 아요, 어요, the dictionary word becomes a perfect sentence. This style is the most natural and comfortable, polite form, not too stiff but not rude. It's the cheat key you must master first to talk with Koreans. To make a sentence, you first need to find the stem, the part of the verb that carries the meaning. Just cut off the last syllable, ta, from the basic form, and what's left is the stem. Now, let me show you the rules for combining them. First, if the last vowel of the stem is a or o, you can just add ayo. So, the first word, 앉다, to sit, the stem is 안, and the vowel is a. So you can just add 아요, 앉아요. So, I sit. And second word is 가다, to go, and the stem is 가. You can just add 아요, but here's the thing. The vowel a and a. Just remember, Koreans don't like repeat the same vowel sound. So just remove this and it becomes 가요, I go. And 오다, to come. And the stem is o, and you can just add 아요. But you can also just combine these two vowel sound, o and a, and it becomes double consonant, wa. So it's 와요, I come. If you don't know the combining rule, you can just check out my Hangul video. Next, for all other stem vowels, just add 어요. So, first word, 먹다, to eat, and stem is 먹. And the vowel is 어, so you can just add 어요, 먹어요, I eat. 서다, to stand. Again, it's the same vowel sound, so just remove one of them. It becomes 서요, I stand. 주다, to give. The stem is 주 and so you can just combine these two. 우 and it become 워, 줘요, I give. And words ending in 하다 always change to 해요. So 공부하다, 공부해요. 전화하다, 전화해요. 운동하다, 운동해요. Easy, right? Of course, there are many irregular words that don't follow these rules. Instead of trying to memorize every rule, try to get used to them by listening and speaking Korean a lot. I'm going to show you some essential words. So, dictionary form, 아요 and 어요 form. First, 가다, to go, 가요, 먹다, to eat, 먹어요, 보다, to see, 봐요, 만나다, to meet, 만나요, 공부하다, to study, 공부해요, 오다, to come, 와요, 마시다, to drink, 마셔요, 듣다, to listen, 들어요, 쓰다, to write, 써요. The last one, 춥다, it means cold. This isn't actually a verb, but for your information, adjectives follows the same rule too. So this means I cold. Now you're a musician, so you can turn words into sentences. Please leave a comment using 아요, 어요 to tell me what you're doing right now. For example, 한국어 공부해요. 커피 마셔요. 유튜브 봐요. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye!